Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here. You actually start about to draw something that we about to bring to front on the thing that we want. First, to example for it. What we're gonna do, for example, about a rectangle and a triangle. And then we want to make the triangle is on the rectangle. So we have here the rectangle is really on the triangle, and we are going here to make it in the forward or in the front, and this will be like this. Okay, so we have to change the color. Maybe the color can affect on it, so we can start to go for stork red right here, and this will be like okay, like this. And we have to go to make the rectangle on it. You can put the layer of the polygon on the above, and then we can see here the polygon has been above like this on the rectangle, and this can be really bringing the front of things that is really right here.